Green Room is a punk rock siege thriller that takes place over one insane night of mayhem and madness, pitting a bunch of amateur punk rockers from suburbia against a team of neo-Nazi aggressors hell-bent on eliminating them as witnesses to a crime that took place backstage, all during a throbbing death metal concert. The goal for Green Room was to create a very immersive environment. And if the audience feels trapped in the green room, in this sort of perilous circumstance, with the throbbing music coming through the walls, I mean, that is the ideal.
If you keep talking shit. And this gun only has 5 cartridges, not 6. Because they're big as fuck and only 5 fit the cylinder.
I had the idea poking around my head for probably 10 years. And then when I got the opportunity, I just wrote it and just found out what the hell this crazy thing was as I went through it. But it's surreal to see this punk band in the movie. They're playing the same songs that my friends played on stage in 1993. Oh, Sitges? Yeah, I've heard about this festival for years and years. And I've been waiting to come here.